My name is Akino West. I'm the chef owner at Rosie's. We are a Southern cuisine with Italian nuances. The concept is named after Jamila's mom, Rosa. The food is based on the food that my mother and my grandmother cooked for us. And then when it comes down to like the Italian nuances, it's primarily based on the food that I really enjoy making. A few dishes that really stand out that I guess really enjoy are lemon ricotta pancakes, blueberry jam, a little bit of ricotta on top and crushed pistachio, or cacio pepe omelet, cacio pepe sauce, cracked pepper, a little bit of heavy cream, a little Parmesan cheese that's all formed into it. Super soft on the outside, buttery. I will always recommend to all of our guests is to get our fish and grits or our shrimp and grits. Fried, super crispy, a little bit of Old Bay seasoning, and then our creamy grits. When you walk into Rosie's, you want to feel refreshed. Everything feels super light, and you be in a place where you can kind of lay back your shoulders and relax. And then let the server or host take you on that experience from there. You know, walk you through the menu, get your drinks going. I'm born and raised in Riviera Beach. I used to do a lot of competitions in Palm Beach Gardens High School, and I was like, maybe I can do this as a career. So then I got the opportunity to go off to work for Noma, René Redzepi, #1 chef in the world. The experience from Noma was like, you know, one of a kind. I would definitely say like it was an opportunity for me to really understand who I want to be as a chef. Bringing everyone together and like saying how can we work as a unit to be able to create something super special. And that's when we decided to come in and create Rosie's.